ARM Holdings getting quite a few bull calls today. A slew of analysts initiating coverage and are optimistic about the chip designer's growth. That's what Deirdre Bose is watching in today's Tech Check. Hey, Dee.
It's been 25 days already since ARM went public. That's a quiet period before the banks that underwrote the IPO published research. So in ARM's case, there were many of them. So a flurry of notes this morning. I counted 10 altogether, every single one of them a buy. And that leaves just one sell rating from Bernstein, which was not involved in the IPO. And it gives ARM a mean price, target of $63.43. It's nearly $10 above where it trades today. Meanwhile, though, the market has at large cooled on ARM. The stock surged 25% on its debut. That was IPO day, but it has since pared back most of those gains. Now, since I've covered SoftBank for a long time, I'm always interested in what this all means for Masayoshi Son and what it means for how he's going to run his Japanese conglomerate. Now, this chart shows the equity value of SoftBank's holdings. Historically, Alibaba has been the crown jewel, underpinning Masa-san's push into venture investing, the vision funds, and letting him shore up finances amid uncertain times. Now, the result of that over the last few years, Alibaba went from being 23% of SoftBank to a minuscule 0.1% proportion. It is the orange. You can barely see it on the second line there. Now, the biggest holding, that is the blue portion of the chart. Those are the Vision Funds 1 and 2, which are far less liquid because it is made up of stakes mostly in private companies. Now, the new crown jewel is ARM, which SoftBank still owns 90% of. I'm trying to see what color it is here. I believe it is the yellow. As you can see on this chart, it went from a 12% stake in March of 22 to a 22% stake as of June of this year. And since it's public, it's far more liquid, like Alibaba was to Masa-san. So what he does with that stake, guys, very much an open question still. Remember, he's stepped away from SoftBank's day-to-day to focus on bringing ARM public, and he has since said that he wants to go back on the offensive, particularly in artificial intelligence. But the vision funds, guys, after years of, let's call them questionable bets, may have a reputation problem. This morning, the information reports that Masa is focusing on a secretive SoftBank investing operation separate from the vision fund, codenamed Project R. I reached out to a few sources as well as SoftBank, haven't heard back yet. But, you know, Masa-san, he moves quick. Do you remember a few years ago, he was the NASDAQ whale. He started investing in public tech companies. So wouldn't be that unbelievable if he's sort of using another tactic to go after the generative AI hype cycle.
Yeah, Deirdre, you bring up a good point relative to kind of Masa-san and what he plans to do with the remaining stake in ARM that they still hold post-IPO, which is a large amount. And part of that has been some of the overhang that this stock has seen is this idea that they could be just coming to the market when that lockup expires with shares, you know, every quarter or every couple months or so. What's the sense in kind of how the stock is trading today and that overhang relative just to the overwhelming burst of optimism that we saw in some of these reports?
Do you mean SoftBank or ARM? ARM, I'm assuming you're saying. Yeah, it was interesting because, you know, all the reports out today were buys. But, you know, there are questions about the valuation. Remember, we've broken this down before, but it is so much pricier than the average chip company. And while it is supposed to be a play on generative AI, it's not there yet. Still relies on smartphone revenue. So it has a long way to go. And I would say that's where some of the skepticism comes from. Does it justify this valuation?
Yeah, the technical aspects, the skepticism of just the future potential of this company. Deirdre, thank you.